Namaste, welcome to the Trade Intelligence and Analytics Portal, your one-stop gateway to access insights into international trade. Access to the portal requires login credentials, which are role-based for authorized personnel. TIA portal provides trade data insights through advanced visualizations, analytics, and tools to facilitate informed decision-making for policymakers and trade analysts. The homepage offers comprehensive view of India's current trade scenario, with options to view exports, imports, and trade balances. A running panel provides a dynamic overview of global export and import values for the 40 priority countries. The left panel provides user manual, data methodology, disclaimer, and contact information. On the right side of the panel, dashboard insights are available, featuring updates on exports, sectoral developments, and commodity trends. As one scrolls down the homepage, discover social media updates and external links highlighting recent developments in global trade. To navigate further within the portal, use the navigation panel at the top, which contains 4 sections with links to multiple dashboards for deeper analysis. The Trade Statistics bucket presents statistical trade trends with descriptive analytics. The Data Intelligence bucket offers drill-down features for diagnostic analytics. The Reports page provides automated and exhaustive reports on India's trade for a selected time period. And the Resources tab connects stakeholders to the latest developments and tools, generating key insights relevant to their areas of concern. The first dashboard under the Trade Statistics is India Trade Dashboard, which offers insights into India's trade performance with partner countries. Powered by DGCI's data, the dashboard provides seamless monthly updates. To start, a user needs to select parameters from left panel. Dashboard starts with macroeconomic indicators including GDP growth, real GDP, and per capita. India's trade with world can be explored using a dynamic world map that tracks export destinations, revealing trade figures when hovering over each country. The dashboard also provides year-wise merchandise export trend and top export destinations. A user can discover top exported commodities by value and share percentage and receive timely commodity alerts on growth trends. A variety of visualization can be downloaded for easy usage in presentations. The best feature is that a user can download the data from each dashboard for further analysis. The dashboard provides automated report in downloadable format on clicking on Generate Report button for detailed trade insights, including month-wise growth. The next dashboard is Bilateral Trade, which offers insights into India's export performance with selected partner countries. Users can customize and filter country and other parameters via the left sidebar. The top section provides a comparative overview of macroeconomic indicators for India and selected country. It also includes 14 macroeconomic trends from the IMF for in-depth analysis. 6-year trend of bilateral exports, highlighting trade values. User can toggle from the selection trade value or share percent to check insights. Detailed insights into the top 20 export commodities. Most of the charts have search functionality to check HS code or name of product. Lastly, a trend of trade complementarity index shows how well India's exports align with the import needs of its partner countries. Next, we have the Global Trade Dashboard, offering insights into global export performance of selected country using data from UN Comtrade. User controls on the left allows user to select the required country along with timeline. If a user selects USA, the dashboard starts with a sneak peek onto the global trade of USA, followed by an interactive map detailing trade flow of USA with its partner countries. Simply hovering over specific countries would reveal detailed export and import figures based on user's selection. A trend comparing export values and export to GDP over the past 6 years is provided. Interactive chart highlighting top commodities exported and the respective exporting destinations can be viewed. Top commodities and the country's trade openness index can be viewed. On the top, Generate Report button allow user to download detailed report of selected country for trade insights. In the Data Intelligence, first dashboard is Commodity Analytics, which is comprehensive tool designed to provide detailed insights into sectoral trade performance, market diversification opportunities, and trade complementarity indices. Users can select the sector using DOCS Quick Estimates, QE, classification or the HS classification. If a user selects engineering goods as the sector, the dashboard begins with the sector's trade highlights. This is followed by a detailed bar chart showing trade performance, which can be analyzed yearly, quarterly, or monthly. Dive deeper into the sector with visualizations of subsector contributions. Users can select the top 5, 10, or all subsectors to compare growth percentages, trade values, and shares. Insights into India's top export destinations for the selected sector are also available. Moving on, the top exported commodities under the selected sector can be viewed, with a drill-down feature available upon clicking, which provides the trade trend of the selected commodity. Users can also select specific PCs under the selected sector to view the trend. The exporting destination for the selected HS code is also available, providing complete insights into a particular commodity. The top export destinations of India are displayed with a drill-down feature, which shows trends in terms of both value and share percentage. Users can analyze category-wise trade contributions to the value chain, whether raw materials, intermediate goods, or finished products. Clicking on any category will display all commodities within the selected category. When a user clicks on a bar, the export trend for the last 6 years and a separate chart for export destinations are displayed. The best feature of the dashboard is that it enables the viewer to check for market diversification opportunities, along with a competitor overview for the selected sector. Clicking on a particular commodity shows India's top export destinations. Clicking on any country allows users to compare import sources of the export partner. Additionally, global import sources for the commodity are available, enabling users to compare the export partner's position in the world and identify opportunities for diversifying export markets. The dashboard also features port-wise analysis, with a further drill-down feature that enables users to click on the port to view top export destinations and top exported commodities of the selected sector. State-wise and district-wise heat maps with detailed export breakdowns are also available. Key trade indices offering deeper insights into India's trade potential and market dynamics have been explored. India's export excellence is represented by the revealed comparative advantage (RCA). The intensity of India's exports with its partners is measured by the Export Intensity Index (HHI), highlights market concentration and competition levels, and the Trade Complementarity Index (TCI) evaluates the alignment of India's exports with partner countries' import needs. These indices are provided at the HS2, 4, and 6 levels for refined strategy formulation. Next is the Country Analytics Dashboard, which offers a comprehensive tool for analyzing global and bilateral trade trends. The left side panel enables the users to select region or country. If the user selects USA, the top bar enables macroeconomic overview of USA including current account balance, GDP, GDP per capita, followed by detailed overview of USA's position in global trade. Further, a world map tracking export performance of USA in partner countries is displayed with export values and growth rates. 6-year export trend and top export destinations are also provided for download. Drill down feature allows a user to explore top exported destinations for selected year. Further, clicking on a particular country like China would reveal export trend for USA with China. Export growth comparison of USA versus world CAGR can be explored for top countries as well as priority countries. Detailed export profile analysis is available for commodities exported to USA. Clicking on an HS code would result in extended chart with export trend. Further, clicking on a year would result in top exporting destinations, with clickable flags resulting in trend of USA with respective country. Bilateral merchandise trade with India in value, share and rank terms on yearly, monthly, and quarterly basis over a period of 2 decades since 2004 is available. Comprehensive overview of India's competitor for USA for selected commodity is available on the click of a button. Clicking on particular commodity provides US's top import sources. Clicking onto any country would help compare trade of competitor nation and India. Category-wise commodity insights is available with insights. Key trade indices of HHI, TCI, TII and RCA have been offered with drill downs of year-wise analysis for the selected commodity. Using a quadrant analysis based on RCA and EII values classifies products in 4 quadrants to identify opportunities available in increasing exports for India. User can hover over the graph to explore product details, including HS codes, trade value, RCA, and EII indices, and uncover potential areas for export growth. Next dashboard is the Compare and Contrast, which is a gateway to analyzing and comparing global trade, macroeconomic, and investment parameters. The user can select the country of interest and view the detailed snapshot of macroeconomic and trade landscapes such as GDP, GDP growth rate, and GDP per capita. The dashboard generates a side-by-side bilateral comparison with India on export-import values, trade balances, and HHI index values. Clicking on any of the parameter provides a POAP with detailed trend analysis. Next, global trade values, share in world exports and imports as well as trade openness analysis to determine the importance of trade in the economy have also been shown. Dynamic visualizations of the top 5 importing and exporting partners for India and the selected country can be accessed by the user. The functionality for accessing the number of NTM, non-tariff measure, notifications issued by a selected country over the past 5 years has been contrasted with India. Users can explore the country's regulatory environment, observe the trends and click to download for detailed insights. The investment section provides foreign direct investment inflows and outflows for the selected country. Lastly, under the import and export sections, 5-year trade values, top 5 products and top 5 trading partners for the selected country and year can also be accessed by the users at a glance. Powered by the Index of Industrial Production, the production dashboard provides insights into key production metrics across industries. At a glance, one can view year-on-year growth trends, top-performing subsectors, and detailed production analytics such as trend and seasonality. Interactive charts and heat maps make exploring data intuitive and engaging, while drill-down features offer granular insights into district-level and commodity-specific production metrics. Next, we have the Trade Watchtower dashboard, which is a powerful tool that enables targeted analysis providing actionable insights into India's export landscape. First, the user needs to select champion products that highlights the key export products with trade potential. A deep dive sector-based analysis can be undertaken by choosing a sector, any priority group, and define value thresholds to focus on exports above, below, or within a specified range. A standout feature is the supply and demand matrix, wherein the users can visualize the alignment between India's exports and global demand trends. Quadrant-based insights highlight areas for market expansion, product diversification, and potential growth. The green shows commodities with potential growth areas, blue shows products with expanding shares, yellow are the products categories by limited demand that need product diversification, and red represents limited market for products with need market diversification. Upon clicking on the number of HS codes displayed in each cell, the list of codes is available for the user to view and download. India's average exports, India's export CAGR, partner country average imports, their import CAGR. On scrolling down, for sector-based analysis, sectoral decomposition of the selected group of codes can be viewed through a tree map visualization. The drill-down feature shows a 5-year trend of supply from India, demand of the selected HS code in the partner country as well as the top supplying countries of the selected product to the selected country. Next, under the reports section, comprehensive reports highlighting trade performance trends, significant import surges, and actionable data analytics can be accessed. The resources section houses the news tracker, document repository, and data extraction tools, providing access to the latest news, policy documents, and raw data from sources like DGCIS, IMF, and WTO. Explore the Contact Us page for submitting your requests or feedback. Official email address trade.analytics@commerce.gov.in for immediate assistance.